Could be the difference.
Okay, so that's a very good question that George Massenberg humiliated me when I asked him at a trade show once, but he gave me a very good answer. He said, because plugins do MIPS, millions of processes, where hardware does BIPS, billions of processes. But that doesn't mean anything to us because I don't have one room in my house full of $1 million and another with 1 billion. So I don't know what the difference of scale is. So then I read the 4% universe, and he says, okay, you count to 1 million, 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, it takes 11 days. If you count to 1 billion, it takes 32 years. That's the order of magnitude of difference between plugins and hardware. And of course, we use both. I use both, you use both, all of us use both.